I've been told my entire life that you want to do something that you love when you're talking about a career path, and the thing that I've loved most my entire life is sports.
Sports business in today's world offers so many opportunities. Here at Concordia University Irvine, we prepare students for jobs in the sports industry.
Concordia helped shape my career by giving me the tools to navigate the real world. Having those hands-on experiences really kind of set me on my path to go down this sports business career that I've loved every second of it, and it was all thanks to Concordia.
We can prepare you in the classroom, and with internships and other experiences, you're going to be prepared for real jobs in the sports industry.
I'm so thankful for Concordia for equipping me with the skills to be able to competently do my job and excel in my job.